Ako po si Giselle Di Magnaong, 36 years of age, government casual employee.
Mahigit 7 oras ang binyahe niya mula pa sa Siquijor hanggang Cebu para makapag-audition.
Sabi po ko sa manager namin na excuse mo na kasi may oportunidad na dumating. Kaya nga, ito ako ngayon, kararating lang, walang tulog.
At ang iyong mga kasama, ipakilala mo naman sa amin.
Mama ko, at first cousin ko.
Nay, para sa inyo po to ha. Sige, good luck.
Hi.
Hello, good evening.
What is your name?
Giselle?
Oh, good luck, Giselle.
Alright,
Go.
thank you. Para sa pamilya ko, para sa mama ko na pa-doktor nga. Aras ka niya to. I'll do my best as long as I can.
I've waited, waiting for the right. You and me and our eyes were closed. We're lost in one sweet embrace. Since those days the world has changed, our love remains the same. God knows we've had a share of shame.
Nasaan po ang papa?
Out of all the blessings you have given me, mountains we have climbed to get this far.
Ang linis.
You've learned to take the laughter with the tears. After all these Yes, I wanted to say with me. After all these years, you still remain the days and night that I was wrong. After all these years, you sacrificed, believed in me, and you were strong. 'Cause without love, there's nothing left to feel. After all these years.
Pray kita talaga na pag nag-air na to, sana sa YouTube maraming makanood sa'yo. Pang-international ang boses mo.
Thank you.
Giselle, ang linis-linis ng falsetto mo.
Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Boss.
Ang galing mo talaga.
Yes na yes. Ako, you got it.
Thank you.
Big yes from me.
Maraming salamat po.
Galing niya.
Ganda, boss.
Baka ito na yung panahon manalo para sa mama ko na for a year mapa-doktor nga, lifetime education.
I'm sure, Giselle, siyak ipinagmamalaki at sinasaluduhan ka rin ng papa mo up there.
Masaya. Hindi pa ako kabado sa busis ko, sa suporta ng taga-amin. Sige, tuloy ka. Now, this is it. Sa lahat na nanood na PJT Season 3 dito sa Cebu, maraming salamat lalo na sa mga audiences. Thank you so much.